U MLA ka Dadenggre rupa marak ulabu jingkeli hiyeng dorbar. Laki tu kilong yeng badan Jingthut haki Dkhot med kila ne em ban yo ek skim yeng Baduk ne ka skim Pmay. Habaju bab halor kane Menteri Ketenat Community and Rural Development Block 80 Mondang ula kular ban bishar banya halor katega phang kabaya day berka jingjit yakinong yo yaki skim yeng Baduk.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to start question number 68. A. Yes, sir, by criteria as per the framework for implementation of Pmay. B. Sir, the criteria for availing the scheme are as follows. Household with no adult member between the ages 16 to 59. Female-headed households with no adult male member between ages 16 to 59. Household with no literate adult above 25 years. 4. Households with any member with disability and no able-bodied adult member. 5. Landless households deriving the major part of their income from manual casual labor. The handicapped household falls under point 4 above. Household with higher deprivation scores are prioritized and ranked higher.
Yes, please. Mr. Rupal.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. In the course of the reply, it is very much clear. So, I think I will not have any question, but I will seek attention and assurance from the Honorable Minister in charge. Before that, I like to place some issues in the implementation of the Pmay housing scheme in blocks. In some blocks, almost all the blocks, the list of beneficiaries are being assessed and provided by the VEC in the village level. And while assessing the beneficiary list to the block, it has come to my knowledge that these handicapped people, the people with disability, they are being denied the rights to have the Pmay. So, on account of they don't have the job cards. So, in the enrollment of job card, in the process of enrollment of the job cards also, they are being denied because they are from the disabled sector. So, without a job card, they are being denied the Pmay housing scheme from the BEC level, and even if they want to enroll themselves in the job card, they are not getting it because they are from the disabled sector. So, whether these issues can be looked into so that these disabled people can avail the Pmay scheme in the block level, and some kind of awareness should be given to the VECs in this regard. Thank you.
Yes, sir. The point raised by the Honorable Member from Dadenggre is very important, and definitely we'll look into it because this category falls in the priority category. Maybe there is some misunderstanding somewhere. We'll look into it, sir. And as per awareness, we'll try to sensitize all the VECs.